Good morning. This is kind of in response to Uncle Tony's carburetor video from yesterday. If you don't know Uncle Tony's Garage, I highly suggest you look him up. I might put links. But this right here, what we have is a 1989 Chevy V3500 cabin chassis built into a wrecker. It has a W code in the VIN, which means it is a carbureted from the factory. Last year, you could actually get a carburetor option on a 454. It has an Edelbrock 650 CFM, was originally economy tuned. The guy before me didn't know how to tune it. He made a mess of it. It's reasonably tuned. It should probably get a bigger carburetor simply because it's just a little light for a 454. At the moment, it is about 9 degrees out, 8 degrees out. Snow's falling, yada, yada, yada. But I always hear carburetors don't start and run reliably in cold weather. There, put it in. Mouse the puddle a couple times. Always does that. It'll start and stall when she's cold. And then once the choke sets, I'm going to do it twice today. And then once the choke sets, and she decides she's had it, she'll sit here and idle for a few minutes, warm up a little bit, and away we go. Yeah, that's carburetor in cold weather. They do start reliably without an issue, even on big engines and low compression things, because that's still the original 89 engine she came with, never been rebuilt. All right, toodaloo.